Hello, boys and girls. Today we will be focusing on Kinder Unit 11.9. So I'm very excited because this one's going to be fun. And our standard for this lesson is counting cardinality 2 through 6 and operational algebraic thinking number 1 through 5 for Kinder standards. Our objective today is I can understand addition is combining two sets of objects. Now, remember guys, add and combine are still our vocabulary words. So everyone say add, combine. Good. Adding and combining is putting two sets of objects together to find out what that equals, right? Good. So combine is to add. Good. So today we are going to need a number chart. Number bond. It looks just like this. If you guys have it, great. If you don't have it, it's okay. You guys can just draw it, one circle there and two circles like that. And then you already should know what it looks like because we've worked on it in the past before. So if you don't have one, it's okay. We can just draw it. Okay, so turn around your math problems and you can write your number bond right there. Okay, so while you guys go ahead and grab one, I will go ahead and tell you what we're going to do today. So today we're going to solve mysteries. Dum, dum, dum. You will be helping me to solve some story problems, addition story problems. However, today you'll be helping me to solve stories with a number bond chart. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Good. Here is my first mystery. I'm going to use my number bond to help me. Okay, here we go. There were 7 cats at my door. 7 cats at my door. Some were brown and some were black. 3 of the cats were brown. How many were black? Whoa, quite a mystery, huh? Let's find out. All right, guys. So how many cats were at my door? Good, 7. So I'm going to start by putting my 7 in my number bond. So I used my flashcard. You can write it with your pencil. You can write it with a marker, anything you have, okay? So if you have a pencil, it helps you erase for the next number bond, okay? So grab your pencil, handy dandy pencil, and eraser. Good. All right, so I know I have 7 cats at my door, but my mystery is I need to find out how many were brown and how many were black because I need to add them to find out how many were brown and how many were black. But I was given a clue that 3 of them were brown. So if I know I have 3 that were brown, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my marker and I'm going to draw 3 circles because I know that I have how many brown cats? Good. I had 3 brown cats. Very good. Now, if I know that 3 of the cats were brown, now how many were black? We got to solve for this mystery, right? So I can use a couple of my math strategies here. Now, if you guys remember some of our math strategies, I think that the easiest one here for Misty to use is probably my picture or even my fingers or maybe even counting on. Okay, Misty is gonna using her fingers to solve for the mystery. Okay, so now remember I have 3 dots right here because I already know that I have 3 what color? Brown cats. Good. So if I already know I have 3, I'm going to use my fingers to help me get to number 7 until I get to 7. Okay? So I have 3. Okay? 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait a minute. Yes, good job. So I counted on and I used my fingers. I did both because I wanted to know how many more I need that were going to be black cats. So I counted how many more? Good, I counted 4 more. So now that I know that I need 4 more, I'm going to draw the number 4, or I'm going to write the number 4, whichever one you want to do, right in here, because I know that I counted 4 more. I counted on from my 3, and now I have 4 more, which make me have 7 cats out my door. They're knocking on my door, right? They want to come in. Good. So now let's make sure that I have 7. Ready? Let's go ahead and count on backwards. So now I'm going to say 4. Now let's count on 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hooray! You guys helped me solve my mystery. Yay! Good job, boys and girls. Now, counting with the following story problems, you can all help me solve this next one. Okay? So let me go ahead and take off my numbers because we already solved for my kitties. You guys were awesome helpers and helped me solve the mystery. So now we're going to solve for the next one. Let's see what I need. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and solve my next mystery. But first I got to cover the number bond. There you go. Okay. Let's start with our next mystery. There were 8 balloons. Some were red and some were blue. 5 were red. How many were blue? Okay, so I know I have how many balloons? Good, I have 8 balloons. So I'm going to put an 8 there because I know that I have 8 balloons. How many? Good, 8. I have 8 balloons. Now in my mystery, some were red and some were blue. And I have how many red? 5. And how many were blue? Well, we have to solve for that unknown number. I don't know. Okay, well, let's figure it out. I know I have 5. So I'm going to grab my handy dandy 5. Okay, and I'm going to put them right there. Because I know that I have 5 red. So I'm going to just put a 5 right there. Okay, I know I have 5 red. Okay, and, well, wait a minute, but what number goes here? All right, well, if I know I have 8 and I have 5 already, what can I do to solve for this last circle? I need to know how many blue I have. Okay, some of you guys said, I'm going to count my fingers. Good. What else can I do? Okay, counting on. Good. Oh, someone said I can draw pictures. Oh, okay. I could do that too. Okay. Maybe I should do that too. I can do that too. What else can I do? Blue right here. Ah, good. Okay, I could do that too. I can add, right? Yeah, I can do a number path too. Good. I heard someone say that. Yes, I can do all of that. It's great ideas. Now, let's go ahead and solve. Misty is going to pick, I'm going to do fingers for this one, and I'm going to do counting on again. All right, since some of you guys told me to do that, I will do that. Okay, so 5. So I know I have 5 red. So now I need to know how many blue. But I know I only have 8. So I'm going to count from 5 all the way to 8. Okay, so you guys are going to help me by counting with me. Let's solve it together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. How many blue balloons did you guys help me solve for? 1, 2, and 3. Good. I only need 3. I only need 3 blue balloons. Good. So I'm going to draw 3 blue balloons because I counted on from the 5 because I already know I have 5, right? So all I need to do is count all the way to the number 8, and that's how I know how many blue balloons I have. Okay, good job, boys and girls. You guys are the best mystery solvers. Good job. Now, for the next one, I'm going to use my handy dandy number chart on the board here. Okay, and I want you guys to help me solve for this because this is my last mystery, and I want you guys to help me. Okay, I have 10. Show me 10. Good. 10 frogs at the pond. So I'm going to draw number 10. Okay, 10 frogs at the pond. Some of the frogs were in the water and some were on a log. Okay, how many were in the water and how many were on the log? 7 were on the log. 7 were on the log. Okay. I know I have 10 and 7 were on the log. So how many were in the water? Help, guys. I need to solve this mystery. How many were in the water? Okay, so let's draw water here. Kind of like a water, okay? And let me draw it in, color it in, because I'm solving for how many frogs go in the water. Okay, so here's my water. All right, so boys and girls, I know that I have 7 on a log, okay, but I only have 10. So I want to know how many were sitting in the water, or swimming probably in the water, okay? So this is what we can do, a couple strategies. Let's think about it, okay? Yeah, we can count on, we can do number path. Good. What else? Pictures. Yeah, we can do pictures. Miss D likes pictures. Okay. So let's count how many, and I'm going to use my green because frogs are what color? Yeah, green. So let's go ahead and, okay, let's use fingers and counting on. Good. All right, let's see. So if I have 7 that are on the log, but I need to get to number 10 because I know I have 10 total. Okay, so let's solve for how many are in the water. Here we go. 7, okay, 8, 9, 10. I need only how many? 1, 2, 3. I need 3 in the water because when I counted from 7 all the way to 10, I only got how many fingers up? 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. I counted all the way to 10. And that means I only have 3 froggies in the water. Good job, boys and girls. You guys are so good at solving mysteries. Dum, dum, dum. Good job. All right, so I'm going to draw my little 3 froggies jumping in the water. Little froggies. And one more. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3 froggies jumping in the water. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome helpers. I can't believe that we solved all the mysteries. You guys are awesome. So now what we're going to do is you guys are going to do your own number bond cards and practice all on your own. So I have these number bond cards that I've shared with you. And now I want to see if you guys can do this all on your own. So you guys have about 3 number cards. So you will grab your number cards. They look just like this. So they're little mini number bond cards. Okay, so they're like minis. Say minis. Good, they're little minis. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut. So we're gonna open, shut. That's the way we cut. Open, shut. That's the way we cut. So once you finish cutting all of your number bond cards, you're going to make like a little book out of them. So you can staple them if you have a stapler. If you don't have a stapler, boys and girls, it's okay. We can just write them in, okay? Grab your favorite markers, okay? You guys all know I love the color pink, so I'll probably use my color pink. Okay, so here I go. I'm gonna do these mysteries all by myself. Yay! I think we can do it. I believe in you guys because you guys were so good at helping me solve my mysteries. So I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and do this together. Let's do one together so we can see how it would go. So I have 8, right? I have 8, let's see. I have 8 butterflies, okay? 8 butterflies. 4 of them are red and some of them are yellow. So I have 4 red and some are yellow, but I have 8 total. You created your own mystery with me. See, we just created it all on our own. So now that we know that we have 8 butterflies total, but how many do I have that are yellow and how many are red? Good, 4 are red, good. Now we're solving for the yellow. Good, so let's find out how many we have. Now I'm gonna grab my yellow because we said yellow, so I'm gonna use yellow. All right, so 4. Now I need to find out how many I have. So I'm going to count all the way up to number 8. Good job. All the way to number 8. So now we can use our fingers to count on. What else can we do? Pictures, of course. And you can just draw your pictures on the bottom. Okay. So I'm going to do pictures this time and I'm going to do little butterflies. Okay, so I'm gonna go from 4 all the way to number 8. Ready to count on with me and use pictures? Okay, let's do it. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Should I stop there? Good, yes, because I'm all the way to 8. Now, how many butterflies did we draw? Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted 4 butterflies, yellow butterflies. So I know that I have 4 red, and now I know I have 4 yellow. Good job. So I'm going to draw with my yellow because that was the one I wanted to use in my story. I have 4 red and 4 yellow. Now, if it helps you, boys and girls, feel free to use any of your different colors that you want. So, and if it helps you trace them to know what you're counting, by all means, go ahead and do that. Also, if it helps you draw more on the back, you can too. All right, boys and girls. So I did that all by myself. You guys helped me, but that's because I love when you guys help me solve mysteries, right? Dum, dum, dum. Good. So I want you guys to do all of your number cards all on your own. I want you to take a picture and send them to me on Seesaw. Very good, boys and girls. And when you guys are done, you guys have your own practice again. Of course, I love giving you guys these because it gives you guys extra practice. And you have our flower garden, horses in the barn, I'm sorry. So these are the same kind of word problems that we've done before. And I want you guys to help me by solving how many we need for the flower garden and how many horses in the barn. So you guys should have these 2 worksheets. Okay, so this one you may need additional support from your mommies and your daddies. I will be on Hangout, however, so if you guys need help, please do not forget to call me and ask me, okay? So here's how this one will work. So here, let's do our flower garden together, okay? We're going to read and solve for the word problem to find the unknown number, kind of like Into the Unknown, right? Elsa had to go find the unknown. And we don't know what that unknown number is, so we have to solve for it. So we're going to solve together. It's like another mystery, okay? All right, so this one we're solving for our flower garden. It says, my mom planted 10 flowers in the garden. She planted some pink and some yellow flowers. She planted 5 pink flowers. How many yellow flowers did she plant? Okay. Well, I know that my 2 colors I'm going to use here are yellow and pink. Okay, yellow and pink, because that's what it says in my story. My mom planted 5 pink flowers. So I'm going to draw how many? Good, 5. 5. Okay, let's count my flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So I know that I have 5 pink flowers. She has 10 total though. So I need to find out how many yellow ones she has. Okay, so here's my number bond. I have 10. Okay, and I can put a 5 on the top because I already know that we know how many pink I have. So I'm going to put a pink 5. Now, my mom has yellow, and I need to find out how many yellow. So let's solve this mystery together. I might even use a number path because it's here. So I'm going to color in the 5 for my number path because I know I have 5. Now from the 5, I'm going to count all the way to 10 because I want to know how many yellow. So I'm going to use my yellow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got all the way to the number 10 because the number 10 is how many flowers I have. So how many boxes did I color in between? Well, let's color all the boxes from the pink all the way to the number 10, okay? Now, that will give me my answer. So let's count it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It says I colored in 5 yellow boxes. What's another way I can check and make sure that's correct? Good, counting on. So let's go ahead and count on from the 5 all the way to the 10. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow, I was right. My number path helped me and my counting on helped me. Wow, you guys are awesome helpers. You guys are amazing. So I know I have how many? Good, very good. Now my math statement says, okay, that 5 pink and 5 yellow make how many flowers? Good. It makes 10. So my math statement should say 5 and 5 make 10. Good. Which is also a 10 frame. I can use a 10 frame to count it in. So I want you guys to draw in your 10 frame. How many pink? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And how many yellow? Good. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. And last but not least, what's missing? Good. So I need to do how many more? Yes, my picture is not complete because I need 5 yellow flowers. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now my picture is complete. Let's count how many I drew in my picture. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome job, you guys. Giving me an air high five. 1, 2, 3, air high five. Good job, boys and girls. Give yourselves a pat, pat, pat on your back, back, back for a good job. A good job. A pat, pat, pat on your back, back, back for a good job. A good job. You guys were such good problem solvers. Thank you guys for helping me with my mysteries. I'll see you guys